Welcome to the TSED video guides on classroom dialogue. Coding whole class dialogue. Whole class dialogue is used several times throughout the school day. For example, in setting up an activity, establishing ground rules, planning a project, considering new information and ideas, and discussing shared experiences. It is usually expected that all students will listen and actively contribute in some way during whole class discussion. However, it's impossible to notice everything that's going on during the usual fast pace of whole class discussion. Taking a step back and considering what you want to observe and how you're going to do it can help you to focus and carry out a successful inquiry. For example, it's best to only focus on one or two codes during an inquiry so that you don't have too much to listen for. Have a look at the TSED user guides for more information about how to carry out an inquiry. As you can see, there are several methods for coding dialogue. It could be as simple as tallying when you hear a particular sort of dialogue. Pause to have a look through these different types of coding. One thing to consider is whether you will live code by observing and recording dialogue then and there, or whether you will record dialogue and code later. Pause here to have a look at the advantages of each. Here you can see the disadvantages of live coding or recording. Pause for a closer look at these. Coding dialogue can be challenging, but you can make it easier through collaboration with colleagues and students, focusing on a specific context and a short time period, linking closely to your inquiry focus, and setting times for review and evaluation of any changes observed. There's an activity coming up, but before you try it, make sure you know what the codes reasoning, invite reasoning, and challenge are. In this activity, watch the video of a mathematics lesson and see if you can find examples of reasoning, invite reasoning, and challenge. There's only one instance of challenge in this particular clip. See if you can spot it.
Created using Powtoon.